Hello, how are you? In this video you are going to learn 8 basic verbs in Basque. So we are going to start. You are going to learn how to say in Basque to go to the mountain, to come home, to learn and study Basque, to watch a film, to do or make something, to say yes, to eat a sandwich and to drink water. Joan, it means to go. Etorri, it means to come. Joan, etorri. Jan, it means to eat. We could say han as well. Jan. Edan, it means to drink. Ikusi, to see. Ikasi, to learn or to study. Esan, to tell or to say, and egin is to make or to do something. So Joan, etorri, Jan, edan, ikasi, ikusi, esan, egin. So we can put, or you can put these words in with its photograph. So we have the first one, Joan, the second one, etorri, the third one is Jan, edan, ikasi, ikusi, esan, egin. Mendira, Joan, mendira, to the mountain. Joan, to go. Mendira, Joan, to go to the mountain. Etxera, etorri. Etxera, etxe, house, home. Etxera, to the house or to home. Go home, come home. Etxera, etorri. Euskara ikasi, to learn Basque or to study Basque. Filma ikusi, edo pelikula ikusi. Filma ikusi, to see the film. Pelikula ikusi is the same. Zerbait egin, zerbait something, egin to do or to make, zerbait egin. Baietz esan, to say yes, to nod. Baietz esan. Otartekoa jan, to eat the sandwich. Otartekoa jan. Ura edan, to drink water. Ura edan. So you have learned 8 basic verbs in Basque.